Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to play Selfquest. First, open your app store and search for Selfquest, then install the app. Before installing, check the app details to understand its features and review user feedback. After installing, open the app. Now you need to grant health access. Turn on the toggles to allow Selfquest to read your health data. Next, tap on the sign up button. Here, enter your username, email address, and password. Then tap sign up to complete your registration. Once you're signed up, log into your account. Now you'll find different options like sword, account, glove, wrist, helmet, check, legs, and boots. Check your power, LV, damage, and class. Here you can also view your status, stats, and totals. Next, tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then tap on equip to equip different skins and check your weapon inventory. After that, check the daily main quest and explore the custom section. You'll also see your player ID and can add friends. Finally, go to the lobby to view the battleground and check out additional features. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.